My name is Brian Fluth. I am the president and CEO of Diversico Industries. My grandpa started this company in 1960, and I am the third generation owner. I've run almost every piece of equipment. I've done everything in the shop. My dad firmly believed in working your way up. There was no give-me's.
My name is Todd Weike. I'm the engineer here at Diversico, and I take care of a lot of the engineering tasks as well as working with Paul in the shop. Diversico is uniquely set up to do some operations that many companies don't. We offer a service of tube forming, and within that we serve a variety of industries, whether it's agricultural or furniture or aerospace or automotive.
We can form tubing in any kind of shape or size you want to see it in. It's trying to create a part that eliminates a lot of problems for our customers.
It's not just a come to work and punch a clock. It goes beyond that. We commit ourselves to serving the customer to a level that other companies don't. It's just going that extra mile and really not only listening to what the customer says, but really anticipating what they need.
I'm really proud of our people, and I know that they will take care of you just like they take care of us.
I've been working at Diversico for over 20 years because it's a family-owned business. It's been around for a few generations now, and it provides not only a great work environment, but it allows us to serve the community around us.
We always like to donate to organizations that, support people in a faith-based idea. I want to continue that legacy, and when you come to Diversico, you're participating in that as well.
We're looking at expanding our cutting capability, looking at more CNC capable equipment, which allows us to reduce setup time. We need to offer service. We need to offer personalized attention. It's everybody's goal, but we do it better than others.
You're going to get what you ask for, and that means high quality. We look forward to working with you.